Fool me once.
Hey y'all, Eve Belize. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you 2 ingredients that you can add to your deep conditioner that promotes hair growth. We have the AMLA pack with vitamin C, and we have the aloe vera gel, which has vitamin A, C, and E. Also gives your hair that shiny look. So whatever your choice of conditioner is, that's what you would use. I'm using the Shea Moisture. You're going to put in enough deep conditioner. I'm going to use half of my jar. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons AMLA powder, and I got this from Henna Soup. I took the jelly from the aloe vera leaf, and I'm gonna blend this up and add this in as well. You see the consistency, how it changed? It's very smooth. Giving it that slip. And I'm also gonna store this in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. When I'm ready to use it, I will warm it up a little bit. I'm also gonna show you how I apply this to my hair.
I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive it, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't miss this body. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown.
So it came out amazing. My deep conditioner maximizing with my AMLA and my aloe vera juice and my steamer. Thank you so much for watching. You found value in the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.